In this video, we're making this dense chocolate loaf which is rich and decadent. These are all the ingredients you're going to need, so let's get started. First, you're going to grease and line a 9x5-inch loaf pan and set that aside. Now to the flour, you're going to add in the cocoa powder and the baking powder and mix it till it's well combined. In another bowl, take the sugar and add in the eggs. Beat this mixture until the sugar is incorporated. Then add in the milk, vanilla extract, and the melted butter, and again mix till combined. Then add in the dry ingredients and mix gently until it's almost incorporated. When the flour is nearly incorporated, you're going to add in the hot water and mix that in as well. And your batter is ready. It's going to be a little runny, but don't be worried about that. And then you're going to transfer the batter into your prepared pan. And then bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes or till a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. And then place it on a wire rack to cool. You can see here that a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Once the cake has cooled, you can take it out of the pan and slice and enjoy. I love to cut some really thick slices because this is so delish and I love a big mouthful of it. If you have ever tried the dense chocolate loaf from Theobroma, this tastes just like that. It's melt in your mouth perfection. I really do hope you give this a try and let me know how it turns out down in the comment section. I'll see you soon with a new video. Bye!